Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. And first of all, a very big sorry because it's been like more than 2.5 months since I posted in YouTube. But I have been like very regular in posting on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow and make sure that I post consistent videos in YouTube as well. And anyways, coming to today's video, it's a try-on haul. This is my first try-on haul in this channel, and so I have bought a couple of products from Purple and Amazon a couple of months back. So I have just joined them together and I have tried them in this video. I made this look with all those products and I have tried those products a couple of times as well, so I clearly know whether the product works or not. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I've already prepped my skin, so I'm going to be starting off with the primer, and for that I'm going to be using the Blue Heaven primer. It is a silicone based primer. Near my chin where I have open pores. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. I'm in the shade 101.5 Natural Ivory. I feel it's amazing. It's giving me a beautiful coverage. I feel it's really beautiful. It just blends beautifully. And it has buildable to medium coverage, which is amazing. And I'm going to be using a sponge for blending them all out. And for concealer, this is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and I feel it's amazing. It has like such full coverage, and it's buildable. It can be layered upon, and this comes at such a good price point. It's priced at around 190 rupees. And I bought it from Amazon, and the shade, I think like this time I bought the correct shade, and this is like my exact skin tone, and I'm in the shade 04 medium beige. Comes again with a doe foot applicator that's perfect for your under eyes and other areas. And with the same sponge, I'm going to be dabbing it. I'm not going to be dragging it because that's not gonna give you coverage. Next, for setting my face, I'm going to be using the Inside Cosmetics Mineralized Pressed Powder in the shade Natural Beige 01. I have Hit Pan in it. It's like a very natural powder, a daily wear powder. Just powdering it, I'm not going to be baking my under eyes with it because I feel the concealer has done a very good job. Let's move on to the eyes, and for that I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this has some really pretty bright colors. I'm going to be going with these two shades. This is a beautiful brick shade and this is a beautiful orange. So I'm going to be first tapping a mixture of these two shades on my crease, and I'm going to be buffing it out using this so that it will soften it. As you can see, there's quite a bit of a kickback in the palette. Like there is a lot, to be honest, but that's fine. I'm going to be placing them on the crease. As you can see, I'm going to be once I've got a desired result, I'm going to be taking a buffing brush so that it just spreads the product. I'll be mixing those two because that's going to create a mixture of a lighter shade of that. I'm going to be using this Beauty. This is the metallic eyeshadow. It comes again with a doe foot applicator. A little goes a long way because you can for sure layer it, but I feel like you have to be careful with it. Putting it in my inner corners, and then I'm going to be blending it with my finger from my inner corner. As you can see, it looks really pretty. Let me do my other eye and be right back. As you can see, I have finished my other eye. Now let's put some eyeshadow on our lower lash line. And for that I'm going to be taking the same shade which I have put on my crease. I'm going to be topping it off with an eyeliner, and for that I'm going to be using the Blue Heaven eyeliner. I'm going to be going for a wing. Price point it comes from, I think it does a pretty good job. I'm able to do a pretty decent wing, you guys. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara, my holy grail. Now let's move on to the brows, and for that I'm going to be using the ITEX mascara. I've been using this like for a year or so, and it does a pretty good job. So it retails for 45 rupees and it's available at any retail store. This is Beauty blush. It is going to be mixing up all the blushes. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. Just high points of my cheek, bridge of my nose. It is a very beautiful glow. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline lipstick in the shade number 657 Nude Blonde. And a little backstory. When my friend came home, she just bought her lipstick and she asked me to try it upon myself, and it did look nice, and so I just immediately purchased it. It looks absolutely stunning, I feel like. It's like very creamy, like it's a one swipe application. It smells like cocoa butter. I feel that's amazing, and it's super comfortable on the lips. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I really hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Until I see you next time.